Yeah.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another week of Gideon's YouTube channel. Bad Dad Crafting, what up? That's cool, leave me hanging. This week he's excited. Because this week, he's checking out Play-Doh for the very first time. He has not done well with any messy crafts so far. And I have a feeling that the same will be said for Play-Doh, but we're going to try it anyway, aren't we, buddy? We've got his goldfish. Or Dad's goldfish. Yummy. And we're going to get started. So, Gideon, let's rip this bad boy open and see what we can make. Well, so far he's impressed. Dad's got great box opening skills. We don't need that. No, we don't need that. We probably don't need this either. You want that? You throw it on the ground? Say, throw it on the ground. Say, we don't need that stinking thing. We don't need that. Because we've got the Play-Doh right here. 4 little tins of Play-Doh. 4 little cookie cutter shapes. A little kid-friendly Play-Doh knife. I can only assume that this is supposed to be a rolling pin. And some sort of Play-Doh shape press. Put the Play-Doh in there. And out comes the Play-Doh from there. All right, buddy, eat them goldfish, and we'll get started. All right, first and foremost, let's bust out some Play-Doh. We're gonna start with blue because that's the first one I picked up. Get the goldfish crumbs off your hands so that this Play-Doh stays blue. And it's already in my fingernails. Excellent. All right, now I say probably 10 seconds before that goes in the mouth. Less than 10 seconds. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you didn't eat it. Good job. I guess this is growing up. Let's try this first. Set the Play-Doh here. We'll use our rolling pin. We're gonna roll it flat. Ooh. Can we roll it more flat? Watch. Oh no! You ripped it! Oh! We're gonna take this little piece. We're gonna take a little bit more. Let's put it in our press, okay? We're gonna test the press. Ready? I think we put it right here in this little slot. Just cram it on in there. And then we press. Press down. Press, press. See it coming out? Press. Look. Ooh. Ooh, Play-Doh spaghetti. Your mother would probably still eat it, even though it's Play-Doh. What do you think? Cool or what? Ooh, Play-Doh. Get all them little crumbs. All right, kid, let's cut some shapes. Let's cut some shapes. We're gonna roll this hunk of blue Play-Doh. Hang on, we gotta roll it flat. We gotta roll it flat. Okay, ready? We're gonna make a star. Ready? Look at this. Press. And then you can pick up all the pieces around it. That's yours to play with. And now we have a star. Look at that. Now we have a star. Yeah. Yeah, you definitely know how to throw things. That's good. Test Dad's reflexes. Woo! Pick up all them crumbs. You gonna throw the star? Oh, you're gonna throw it right on the ground. Don't do that. We want to keep the Play-Doh on the table. Now squeeze. Here, put it in your hand. Now, squeeze. Ew. Ew, gross. It's Play-Doh. Yeah. Throw it right at Dad. Good job. Should we check out another color? All right, let's put the blue back in the container. What do we got next? You pick a color. You got orange, you got pink, or you got some weird, gross skin color? Which one you want?
Go.
Which one do you want? You pick. Put one in my hand. Right in my hand. You got this. Yes, we get it. You know how to stack. This isn't the blocks episode. We're going to go with pink. We get it. You know how to stack. You don't got to keep showing off. You don't got to keep showing off. Now, Play-Doh really needs to come up with a method for getting the Play-Doh out of the container without getting it under your fingernails. Good job. All right, there's the pink Play-Doh. Dad's fingernails are officially full of Play-Doh. What are you gonna do with this one?
Oh.
Roll it nice and flat. Watch this. We got the little Play-Doh knife. We're gonna put a G in it for Gideon.
Oh.
Dad's got the best handwriting. Look at that. That's a G for Gideon. G for good job. G for going to get messy. Here. Just don't throw it on the ground. That's all I ask. Throw it right here. Here, let's roll it nice and flat. Roll it into a ball. Roll it into a ball. Sounds like the laundry's done. And then we're gonna roll it. Oops. Rolled a little too hard. There we go. What do you think of that? Is that cool?
Oh.
Oh. Get that Play-Doh out of here. Oh, on the ground. Let's put it all back together. Get all our little pieces. Oh, man. Well, I would say in terms of messy projects, this is probably not the messiest we've done. No, not the messiest we've done. But this has probably been your best response to something that's semi-messy. Usually you do not want anything to do with these messy projects. Let's see. Here, you want to play with the container? Yeah, you're that kind of kid. You'd rather play with the container than the actual Play-Doh, huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're going to make a G for Gideon. Ta-da! G for Gideon. G for Gideon. All right. Well, we had some fun. We ate some goldfish. And you played with Play-Doh. Thank you. Thank you for that. Good job. All right, Gideon. It's time for the outro. So look right there at the camera. Tell all your friends and family on YouTube that you appreciate them watching your video. Say thanks in advance for subscribing. Leave it a comment and liking this video. That's right. Give Dad a high five. Yeah. And say, see you guys later. Bye.